Okay, for probability, this is kind of one of those, different colored balls in a jar type thing. For all of probability, it is the number correct or the number of what you're looking for. So it's how many do you want divided by the total number of items there are. That's the total number of items of what you want as well as the ones you don't want. It's everything. So divide those out, that equals your probability, either as a fraction or as a decimal. So for example, if you want to know what's the percentage of drawing students and you picking a guy. Well, if there are 12 guys in a class of 24 people, that reduces down to 1/2 or 50%. So the odds or the probability of you picking a guy out of a group of 24 people is 50% in that classroom. Okay, so it's the number of guys over the number of people in general in that case. So for this one, they give you jars. There are 5 white balls, 8 red balls, 7 yellow balls, and 4 green balls in a container. All right. One ball is chosen at random. Find the probabilities. So 1 white ball. So we want, remember, it's the number correct divided by the total. So there are 5 white balls divided by the total. Well, 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So there are a total of 24 balls. And you could either A, leave that as a reduced fraction, which that one is, or B, 5 divided by 24 is 0.208. I think the test gives answers in reduced fractions, but still. So the probability is 5 out of 24, 5 24ths. Or you could state it as the probability is 0.208, or 20.8%. All right, there's 3 ways of saying it, but I think for the test it's all fractions. Just reduce your fractions. Number 13, what's the probability of getting a green? Well, how many green balls are there? There are 4 green balls. How many balls total? Well, there's still 24. So it's 4 out of 24, which that reduces down to 1/6. So the probability of getting of a green one is 1/6. It really is that simple. Try the rest of these and see what you can do. The next one, not red. Well, not red is anything but red. So that would include the white ones, the yellow ones, and the green ones. So 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So there are a total of 16 marbles that would satisfy as not red. So they're correct out of a total of 24 items. And you can reduce that. You can divide both those by 8. That reduces down to 2/3. So the probability of not choosing a red one, that's anything but red, is 2/3. Keep burning through these. Yellow or white. Well, how many yellow or white balls are there? 5 plus 7, that's what, 13? 12. Can't add. There's still 24 in the bottle. 12 over 24 reduces down to 1/2. So the probability of getting yellow or white is 1/2. Purple. Purple's a fun one. What is the probability of getting a purple one? Well, how many purple balls are there? 0. Out of 24 total, which 0 divided by anything is still 0. Alright, so don't be fooled by that. If they ask the probability of something and you physically cannot do it, well, the probability is 0. If they ask for the probability of something and you have to do it, no matter what, well, then the probability is 1. Anyways, last but not least, probability of green or yellow. And if you don't try this one on your own, shame on you. Try it on your own. Green or yellow. So add up the greens and yellows. 7. Oop, wrong pen. We got 7 plus 4. That's 11. So 11 over 24. That does not reduce because 11 is prime. So the answer is 11 out of 24.